morning, students. Welcome back to English class. I hope that you all are fit and fine and doing well at home, doing study properly, regularly, and helping your parents. And the most important is that not troubling to them. Yes. Now come to the topic. We are on the topic and we were discussing about a great personality, and she is Kalpana Chawla. She born at 1962. Her life journey was from 1962 to 2003. She was the first Indian American woman. Okay, she belonged to India only, and she was an astronaut, and she was the lady to reach to the space. And now we have came to know that why it has said to that Indian American woman, because she born in India and she got married with an American person. That's why she is called Indian American woman. I'm sure that you have find more information about her, that how she achieved this much, how she studied, how she have done this much hard work, because this is a very informative and very inspiring topic. So you must have searched, you must have find more information about her. Yes. Now we'll go through the book. We came to know about her earlier life that she belonged to Karnal, and Karnal is in Haryana. She did her engineering. After that, she did her master degree and PhD from United States America. After that, she got married with a flight instructor, Jean Pierre Harrison. He belonged to America. Okay, she was licensed to fly single and multi-engine land airplanes, single engine seaplanes and gliders. Okay, and she was also a certified flight instructor. And in 1944 she was selected by NASA for training as an astronaut. This much we have done. Now come to the paragraph number 4. When asked when it was like being a woman in her field, she replied, I really never. I really never ever thought, while pursuing my study or doing anything else, that I was a woman or a person from a small city or a different country. I pretty much had my dreams like anyone else, and I followed them. And people who were around me fortunately always encouraged me and said, if that's what you want to do, carry on. Okay, as in our society it has a common mentality that we segregate male and female, she is a boy, she is a girl. Then when it has asked to her that what do you say that you are a woman, how could you do this much in your field, she just replied that I never thought, when she was studying, while pursuing my studies or doing anything else, she says that I never thought that I am a woman or I am a person from a small city or a different country, because she was studying in USA and she was selected for NASA. Then she did her higher studied from abroad only. That's why she says that I never thought that I am a woman, I belong to a small city or a different country. I pretty much had my dreams. He said, I love my dreams a lot, as a common person love. As others love their dreams, I also love. And people who were around me, she says that I am fortunate that the people who were around me, they always support me, they always encourage me. And they said that if you want to do, if you really want to do, carry on, keep on doing. Okay. Now see, Kalpana's first space mission in the Space Shuttle Columbia was 15 days, 16 hours, and 34 minutes long. You have to learn this statement, okay? What was her first space mission? It was Columbia. And what was the duration of that? It was 15 days, 16 hours, and 34 minutes long. During this time, she went around the earth 252 times. See, she rotated around the earth how many times? 252. This is not a small number, it's 252. It means a lot. Traveling 10.45 million kilometers. The crew included a Japanese and a Ukrainian astronaut. Okay, she was not alone. When people work in any project, they work in a team. So she was also not alone. Along with her, one Japanese and a Ukrainian astronaut was also there with her. The crew performed experiments such as pollinating plants to observe food growth in space. That crew in which she was loading, what experiments that did it was on pollinating plants to observe food growth in space. They did so many experiments there and test for making stronger metals and faster computer chips, all for a price tag of about $56 million. Okay, this much experiment they did there, and the all cost was for that was $56 million. On the Saturday night, when the news about the Columbia disaster broke, there was shock and disbelief. The town or the town of Karnal spent a speechless night as thousands of households stayed glued to their television sets in the hope that Kalpana and the crew had somehow survived, a journalist wrote. Okay, as she went in the space, she was in the space shuttle named Columbia. But what happened, as it has done so many experiments, but what happened in the last moment, it broke in pieces. It was a very painful for all Indians. See in paragraph number 6 that only has given, on the Saturday night when the news about on Saturday night when news came that Columbia disaster broke, Columbia has broke into pieces, there was shock and disbelief. Shock, everyone was very sad and disbelief, they were not believing only. The town of Karnal spent a peace sleepless night. The people in the Karnal, they couldn't sleep, they spent a sleepless night, they were not able to believe only, as thousands of households stayed glued to their television sets. And thousands of households, they were just glued means what glue do, to stick, they were just glued to their televisions, means they were just sitting in front of television in the hope, they were in the hope that if television will announce that somehow the people have survived, somehow they are alive, somehow they have survived, they had a hope. Okay, they were not able to believe that the Kalpana Chawla had gone. A journalist has wrote about Kalpana Chawla. She was a heroine. It takes Euronymous ability to become an astronaut. You need to know a lot about everything from biology to astrophysics to aeronautical engineering. In this age of super specialization, you must have encyclopedia knowledge to be an astronaut. Her achievement is awe-inspiring. See, this paragraph is very important. You will also come to know that the qualification or the qualities a person should have to become an astronaut. A journalist have written that she was a heroine. Yes, we know that she was a real heroine. It take Euronymous means there is a no end ability to become an astronaut. It's not easy to become an astronaut. We need endless abilities to become an astronaut. You need to know a lot about how many uh, things you need to know. For that you need to know from biology to astrophysics to aeronautical engineering. This much you need to know. In this age of super specialization, you must have, because in this age everyone is super specialization, everyone having, you must have encyclopedia knowledge to be an astronaut. Her achievement is awe-inspiring. Awe-inspiring means it's inspirable for us. We should get inspiration from her. For millions of young Indians, the story of Kalpana Chawla, a girl from a small town who touched the skies, had become an inspiration. In a message that she sent from abroad, the space shuttle Columbia, to a student of her college in Chandigarh, Kalpana said, "The path from dreams to success does exist. May you have the vision to find it, the courage to get on to it. Wishing you a great journey. There will surely be many who start off on this journey to fulfill their dreams." Okay, she was an inspiration for millions of young Indians. Okay, the story of Kalpana Chawla, as she was a girl from a small town, still she touched the sky, had become an inspiration. Okay, we also need to get inspired from her. In a message, she gave a message when she was in abroad. When she was going to in a space shuttle Columbia, that time she gave a message to the student of her school in Chandigarh, from the school from where she studied. For them, she gave a message. She said that the path from dreams to success does exist. Means the if we have dream, the path from dream to success, it has exist. Means there is no end of it. You may have the vision to find it. We know we you may have the vision. It is not enough just to see the dream, but a person should have vision to find it, the courage to get into it. Courage is also important. Wishing you a great journey. There will surely be many who start off on this journey to fulfill their dreams, and she is saying that there will be many those who will start their journey and they will fulfill their dreams. Okay, this was a brief information about Kalpana Chawla. Okay, and we came to know more about her. Now it's time to get inspiration and start to work on your dreams. First, we need to make a vision, then we need to work hard about it. We need courage to get it. Okay, it's enough for today. Revise the lesson and find more information about Kalpana Chawla. Bye. Have a nice day.